In this video, I will show you the top 5 most effective ways to keep your skin healthy, glowing, and protected from the sun during these summer months. Hi Beauty Buddies, it's Raylan from Beauty Buddy. I've definitely been feeling the heat in New York these past few days, so I decided to create a video on healthy skin and how to protect it from the sun. So just comment yes right now if you want healthy, hydrated, glowing skin for the summer. Also, at the end of this video, check out the link in the description below for my daytime and nighttime summer routine. Whether you're on vacation, having fun, or being your entrepreneurial self, you need healthy skin. Let's get started. We all know the summer months are hot. Like a sauna, the heat and moisture opens up your pores. Your skin becomes more vulnerable to impurities and oils in the air. While it is preferred to stay in a cool and dry place for the whole summer, it is not very likely. So the second option is to stay in a cool and dry place as long as you can and combine this with a healthy summer skincare routine to address all of the problems. And I would like to hear from you, what problems do you normally face in the summer with your skin? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 1, hydrate your body. Now during the summer, we sweat more than usual and crave water. If our skin becomes dry and rough, it will become weak and less likely to protect us from harmful UV rays. Therefore, sunburn and skin damage can occur more frequently. To maintain moisture and get rid of toxins in your body, drink 8 ounces of plain unfiltered water daily. I personally like to add a little squeeze of lemon to my water. You can add any zest or any fruit to taste. P.S. for all of the coffee lovers out there like me, if you have 1 caffeinated beverage, you need to also have 2 glasses of water to balance it out. Tip number 2, exfoliate your skin. Use a gentle exfoliant, especially for sensitive skin, to remove dry and flaky dead skin cells that actually pile up on your skin during the summer months. Exfoliating allows skincare products to go deeper into your pores and improves hydration of toners and moisturizers. It is recommended to exfoliate daily in the morning before toner, SPF, moisturizer, and makeup. If we exfoliate before applying makeup, the makeup will actually last longer on our face. Tip 3, cleanse twice daily. During the summer months, you may have more oil and increased sebum production that melts into our skin. Combined with sweat, this causes acne and blocked pores. To keep skin balanced and moisturized, cleanse twice a day with a gel or foam-based wash. Cleanse in the morning to remove oil and sweat built up from the night before, and before bed to clean off your makeup and cleanse your skin. Tip number 4, hydrate your skin. Like water, using a moisturizer replenishes your skin and shields it from harmful toxins. Imbalance of water and oil can cause acne on your skin. Using an intensive, lightweight hydrating mask 1 to 2 times a week balances out these water and oil levels. Use ultra hydrating oils and humectant to lock in moisture deep into your pores. One quick bonus tip to refresh your skin in a matter of seconds is to use a moisture spritz. There are a lot of great sheet masks, but they should be able to control sebum, calm inflammation, and cool the skin. Tip number 5, apply SPF frequently. Growing up 2 blocks from the beach, I have had my fair share of seeing sunburn. Most people generally do not apply the sunscreen needed to protect themselves. It is recommended for the average person to use a high SPF, at least 40. You should use a teaspoon on your face and a 1/4 cup on your body. Apply the sunscreen on 30 minutes before you go out into the sun and immediately after swimming. Be generous with your sunscreen and grab a buddy to help you with their back. UV rays are the harshest in the summer months, especially with the heat from the sun. There are 2 types of UV rays, UVA rays and UVB rays. To avoid these side effects, use a broad spectrum sunscreen. The best types of sunscreens prevent environmental pollution, block off the heat, and are not too oily or sticky. This is also the most important step for anti-aging. So now that you know the 5 most effective ways for healthy and glowing skin, I have left a link in the description below for my daytime and nighttime summer skincare routines. It's also up here. If you would like a quick recap, I have also included in the link in the description below the top 5 most effective ways for healthy and glowing skin cheat sheet. It's time for the question of the day. What skincare routine do you use for the summer? Let me know in the comments. Please like, comment, and share with your friends. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification for weekly videos. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe!